In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lagging and low FPS in Meccha Chameleon. Start by launching the game and opening the settings menu. Head to the graphics options and turn global illumination all the way down to the lowest or off. Now drop your overall graphics quality to low or medium. Apply the changes and jump into a match to test it. If it's still lagging, then go back to the graphics settings and set the display mode to windowed and lower your resolution. If it's still lagging, then turn VSync off in the game. After that, update your graphics driver. Grab the latest one from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel depending on your card. I'll include a link in the description, run the installer, and wait for it to finish. Your screen may flash or go black for a moment, which is normal. And if it's still lagging after all that, then do a clean driver reinstall. One thing to keep in mind, Meccha Chameleon is a brand new, lightly optimized game, so lower NPCs may still not hit a solid 60 FPS. Keep an eye out for a game update that improves performance. The global illumination change should make the most impact though. The lag and low FPS should now be fixed.